In this video, we dive into buttermilk, the surprising science of a cultured classic. Modern buttermilk is not a byproduct, but low-fat milk intentionally cultured with beneficial bacteria. Its origin is the liquid from butter making, but today's version is a purpose-made food product. The fermentation process creates lactic acid, giving it a tangy flavor and tenderizing baked goods. Buttermilk provides probiotics for gut health, along with essential nutrients like calcium and protein. Those seeking improved digestion, lean protein, and superior results in baking can benefit the most. However, the primary risk is its high sodium content, which can be significant in processed brands. Anyone with a true milk protein allergy, not just intolerance, must absolutely avoid buttermilk. 1 cup of buttermilk can count as one of your 3 USDA recommended daily dairy servings. Buttermilk is incredibly versatile. Enjoy it in the morning, as part of lunch, or for dinner preparations.
Like and subscribe for more evidence-based nutrition content. All references are listed in the video description.